hunting and protecting birds of prey. And everyone, this is my buddy, Deer.
Hello everyone! Thank you. So as Reptile Rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts. We also have to take care of the birds here.
Everyone, Deer, did you hear that?
Yes, Nadila, that's a very familiar call. There is Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle can be
Sea snakes.
Well, speaking about sea snake, I got Rebecca right over here. And we got diving in. That flag. What does it mean that we do? And it's on video. Take a look at the screen. Wow.
As Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. So if you're taking a walk around our park today, Monday, make sure to look up and
Singapore
this is how they look like.
Zoo.
On the left will be the
Paradise.
white-bellied sea eagle.
Rounds in Europe and Asia, traveling to as far as Africa. It is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination. Well, that's because owls are monsters.
Owl waiting very peacefully for us right up there. And that is enemy as quiet as possible.
They prefer to hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes hunt during sunrise and sunset. But what about owls with dark black eyes? Well, they hunt during the night.
It's not, which makes pop. Well, even that, he needs to be hand-fed daily because he has got cataracts on both of his eyes. Nonetheless, our retirees love to stay active and stimulated, and that is why Susie is out here to make an appearance to see you all. And good afternoon, Ro. Please remain seated.
Now, turkey vultures are from the Americas, and
Which is almost a pH level of 0. And this helps them to digest carrot pretty well. And
wow, look at that slide down. Now, king vultures are among the world's largest scavengers, and they have powerful hoof feet. Smaller vultures will make way for the king when he descends. Well, that's because king vultures are able to get to parts of the carcass which other vultures cannot.
But they don't just intimidate the smaller birds, right?
Well, that's right, Nadina. King vultures are among the most aggressive of their kind, and up close, you can